Hindi. Time to wake up na. Time to wake up na. It's okay. Oh, Dennis Gotcha. Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa mga dyan? Makamaksis pang Dwantro Vlog starring Pabibo, Pabebe, and Pabibe. Hello! Maintragalot ikaw. Hello, baby. Hello, baby boy.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Hi, ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today!
So, ito po yung morning routine namin kay Baby Nitro. So, ganito siya. Gumigising siya ng mga 6:30 to 7. Diba, Baby Nitro? Yes, you do. 6:30 to 7, yung gising na ano. Yes. So, then we come in, we pick him up, and Shanta feeds him. Diba? Shanta feeds him for 15 minutes. Pagkatapos, kumain na si Baby Nitro, it's daddy and son time,
no,
diba?
pinapalitan ko siya ng napi niya tsaka ng damit niya.
Yes, yun. And then it's my turn na to take care of the bebe until he goes to sleep again para makakasleep din si Mami Shanta.
Inalagaan niya doon hanggang 9 AM. Tapos pag 9 AM, papatulogin mo doon.
Yes, yun. So it's my turn to take care of Nitro for the next 2 hours. Hey, baby. Yes, we're gonna have some fun, are we? Normally, kami ni Nitro, pumupunta kami sa park tuwing umaga para makikita si Nitro kung ano ang kapaligiran niya dito sa Australia. Yun, it's good for us, good for our mental health, diba? Baby Nitro, para hindi tayo kulong sa bahay tulad ng Manila, diba? Yes. So, yun yung gagawin namin, guys. So, I'll show you what that looks like and then ano ang gagawin namin ni baby mamaya. Pag 8 AM, papakainin ko siya. So, I'll feed the baby. Hey, Nitro, yes, I'm gonna feed the baby. Yes. At 8 AM and then 9 AM he goes to sleep. And this whole time, Mami Shanta should be asleep para she can catch up on sleep.
Hindi na ako nakapag-edit. Wala pa akong bagong upload.
Sige lang, okay lang yung baby.
Gusto ko mag-upload kasi nag-antay din yung viewers. Char. Nantay ka.
You will have time mamaya pag tulog na si Nitro. Afternoon nap, diba? Kasi yung sleep schedule ni Nitro, ganito siya. 7 AM wake up na. 9 AM sleep. 11 AM wake up na. 2 PM sleep. 4 PM wake up na. 7 PM sleep hanggang sa umaga. Yun.
Compared dati na parang
Every hour, no? Yeah. It's mas better siya ngayon. Kaya kapag sa dati.
Thank you kay The Power of Birth.
Yes, The Power of Birth. Follow niyo sila sa Instagram. Kapatid ko yan, si Amberly. Siya yung may-ari sa Instagram account na yun. Yeah, she taught us this sleep schedule thing with Nitro and it's working. So it's really good. Diba siya?
Thanks, Auntie.
Yes.
Power Birth, The Power of Birth Instagram.
Hindi na kami mababaliw. Alright, baby Nitro, let's go so mommy can sleep. Tara! Okay, Dwantro Fam, dito na kami sa labas. Eto si Bebe. Hello, baby. Hello! Alright, tara na, sa park na tayo. So, nandyan lang yung park. Malapit lang. Walking distance lang. Ayun, sarap diba? So, we're gonna go for a walk in the park for about 30 to 40 minutes. Para mag-relax si Nitro, mag-enjoy niya sa labas. Bibi, hey, are you ready? Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Are you having fun? Huh? You having fun in the park? So pretty here, I know. Yes, it's so pretty here. Yes, it's so pretty here, baby. Ganda, no? Chill lang, walang tao. Yung footpath na to, it goes all around the park. As in, all around. Right back to the start. Diba, baby? Ano, ikutin natin? Ikutin natin, baby? Ha? Huh? Yeah? Ganito lang kami tuwing umaga, tuwing mga 7 AM, naglalakad lang sa park. Minsan may mga joggers, may mga nagra-running, nag-exercise dito. Sarap, no? Chill lang dito. Super chill lang. Walang tao. Maraming mga ibon dito sa park nito. Malaya lang sila. Delikado lang dito pag July, August, September ata. Kasi ang mga magpie, ang mga ibon na yan, they attack you. Kasi they're protecting their babies. Minsan may mga bata, inatake sila ng magpie. Natanggal yung mata nila. Ganun. It's been in the news here in Australia before. So delikado talaga yan. Pero ngayon, mga January, February, ganun, wala. Kasi hindi sila nanganganak sa gantong panahon. Kaya safe si Nitro dito, di ba, baby? Yes, you are safe. Ano? Yeah. Been walking for about 15 minutes. Siguro, ikot tayo dito. Hindi na tayo tutuloy dun kasi malayo eh. It goes all around there. Sa likod ng mga puno na yan, layo. Siguro, dito na lang. Tapos balik na tayo sa bahay. Diba, Baby Nitro? Yes, balik na. And then, kakain ka na. Ano? Hello, Baby Nitro. Hello, what are you doing over there, huh? You're playing with Grandma's exercise machine, aren't you? Yes, yes you are. Good morning, Tita Hallie.
You used to edit it like that.
Nitro, hey baby. It's your time to eat. Let's get that off the table. Yes, it's your time to eat now, baby. Daddy feed you? Ano? Gutom ka na ba? Yes, gutom na. Okay, Nitro, Daddy made Cerelac for you. Yes, Cerelac is ready now for the baby. Kain na tayo. Sige na. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Nitro,
Oh, good boy!
Very good.
Nitro.
Very good.
Good boy, Nitro.
Good. Is that yummy, baby? Huh?
Good boy. High five.
Okay, Nitro, here you go. Ready? Drink up, drink up. That's it. Drink, 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 drink. Drink, 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 drink. That's it. Ooh.
I love you.
That's Grandpa. That's Grandpa. Yeah, that's Grandpa. Next up is yogurt, Nitro. Yogurt, yogurt. Oh yeah, yummy yogurt.
Oh yeah, really good.
Straight from the packet, hey. Yes.
Got Chucky Yogi.
He's like, give me more, give me more. You're blowing bubbles. Okay, baby, you're done eating. It's talking Auntie Hallie, aren't you?
Yeah.
It's talking Auntie Hallie. Yes.
Tell me more. Hey, tell me a story.
Okay, baby Nitro, a little bit of playtime before you go to sleep. And you're playing with the livers, the blinds. Oh, you're looking at yourself in the mirror, are you? Are you looking at yourself in the mirror? Go, baby. Go. You can do it. You can do it. That's it. That's it. Yeah, very good. So, wakas, you're playing with actual baby's toys. Oh, look who's awake. Mami Shante is awake and nag-ayos na. Nagsuot na ng jeans. Hello, Baby Nitro.
Uy, first time ko mag-jeans balik.
Ha?
First time ko mag-jeans ulit.
Talaga? Nag-jeans si Mami Nitro. Ano? Yes. Balik alindog na si Mami.
Patingin
Ano?
nga. Hindi. Hindi nga, ang mataba pa.
Oh, baby, it's close to your bedtime. What's the time?
Uy, may kulamot ang batang yan.
Talaga?
Adi,
It's 8:40, so 20 minutes na lang. Matutulog na si
ito
Nitro.
na good.
Hindi mo sabihin good night, baby. No, we are saying good morning. Kasi matutulog ka na. Ano?
Good night, baby Nitro. Good night, good morning.
Good morning, baby.
Nitro.
So ngayon, matutulog na po si Nitro. Isa po namin to. At i-on natin yung white noise machine. Ito, white noise. Tsaka yung fan.
Number 2.
Lang, matutulog na si Baby Nitro. Ayan. Kung umiyak siya, babalik ako sa loob. I'll pat him on the back, say shh, make sure his dummy, his pacifier is in. Tapos yun, matutulog na siya. Magaling na siya, marunong na siya kung paano matulog. Okay, ngayon naman Dwantro Fam, tulog na po si Baby Nitro. We're gonna do these golden Dwantro Fam shoutouts. Okay, una sa lahat, we have Regina Cieli's Art Shop, Merle King's Vlog, Cheryl Suarez Buo, Conchita Dokot, Jolie Inocencio, Da Ramis, Nisi Cho, Pinay for Life, Joanna Avellana, Shane Ransborg, John Seed, Rosel Ruiz Nofke, the Urupino Fam, the Scotty Fam in Brisbane, Romel Ibanez Vlog, the Aussie and his wife, Leah Garvey, the Ramsey family, Paul T, Mary J. Lee, DXMT, Haley and Ashley sisters, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Nati Von Tien, Tosca Acorda, and Jocelyn Natividad. Anong minamodel mo dyan? Ano ba yan?
Game boy sasabihin.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. Yan po ang morning routine namin ni Baby Nitro. So ngayon naman, it's Mami Shanta's turn kapag gumising na si Baby Nitro.
Umayang 11. Sana 11 kasi minsan 10:30 nagigising.
Oo nga eh, di ba?
Para extended yung vacation ko.
True. Maraming salamat po sa panonood at kita-kits po sa sunod na video natin. Bye for now.
Shine so bright like the morning sun. I really, really wanna walk you down.